Tired of your team missing important context from lengthy support conversations? Here's how to automatically turn closed Zendesk tickets into concise Asana task summaries, so everyone stays informed without reading every message. First, the workflow monitors all Zendesk ticket status changes. When any ticket gets updated, it captures that event. Then we check if the ticket is closed. If so, the workflow continues. Next, we retrieve the complete ticket information along with all comment threads. This ensures we're only processing finished conversations. Then, AI analyzes the entire conversation thread and creates two things: a clear, descriptive title that captures the customer's main issue, and a concise summary highlighting the problem, customer sentiment, and resolution provided, all without technical jargon. Finally, a new Asana task is created with the AI-generated title and summary, plus ticket number, customer email, and timestamp for complete context. Keep your team aligned automatically. Never lose important support insights or spend time manually reviewing ticket threads again. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one, or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.